In this session, let us learn about Java class methods. Java class methods. You learned from the Java methods chapter that methods are declared within a class and they are used to perform certain actions. Create a method named my method in main. See here, my method prints a text the action when it call. To call a method, write the method's name followed by two parentheses and a semicolon. See here, inside main, call my method. See here, now hello world, semicolon. My method, parentheses. See here, hello world was printed. Static vs non-static. You will often see Java programs that have either static or public attributes and methods. In the example above, we create a static method, which means that it can be accessed without creating an object of the class, unlike public, which can only be accessed by objects. An example to demonstrate the difference between static and public methods. See here, public class main, static method. See here, my static void, my static method. Static methods can be called without creating objects. See public method, public void. My public method, system output print. Public methods must be called by creating objects. Main method, public static void, main string, args. My static method, call the static method. My main object is equal to new main method. Create an object of my class. My object dot my public method, call the public method. See here, while you execute this code, the result, static methods can be called without creating objects. Public methods must be called by creating objects is printed. Access methods with an objects. Create a car object named myCar. Call the full throttle method and speed methods on the myCar objects and run the program. See, we are using create a main class, create a full throttle method, create a speed method and add a parameter. See here, inside main call the methods on the myCar object. See, create a myCar object, call the full throttle method, call the speed method. See the result printed, the car is going as fast as it can, maximum speed is 200. Example explained. We created a custom main class with the class keyword. We created the full throttle and speed methods in the main class. The full throttle method and the speed method will print out some text when they are called. The speed method accepts an integer parameter called mySpeed. We will use this in 8. In order to use the main class and its method, we need to create an object of the main class. Then go to the main method, which you know by now is a built-in Java method that runs your program. Any code inside main is executed. By using the new keyword, we created an object with the name myCar. Then we call the full throttle and speed methods on the myCar object and run the program using the name of the object myCar, followed by a dot, followed by the name of the method full throttle and speed 200. Notice that we add an integer parameter of 200 inside the speed method. Remember that the dot is used to access the object's attributes and methods. To call a method in Java, write the method name followed by a set of parentheses followed by a semicolon. A class must have a matching file name main and main.java. Using multiple classes. Like we specified in the classes chapter, it is good practice to create an object of a class and access it in another class. Remember that the name of the Java file should match the class name. In this example, we have created two files in the same directory. See, main.java, second.java. Both we created. See, the car is going as fast as it can. The second Java, create a myCar object, call the full throttle method, call the speed method. When both files have been compiled, see, both we compile. Run the second.java file and the output will be, see here, main Java. See, main Java use, the car is going as fast as it can, maximum speed is plus maximum speed. See, the car is going on as fast as it can, maximum speed is 200. See, second we used the myCar.full throttle method, myCar.speed 200. Create a myCar object, call the full throttle method, call the speed method. See here, the result was the car is going as fast as it can, maximum speed is 200. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 25, Java methods. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java constructors. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.